This is Jackie. Jackie contacted me on Facebook last August and asked me to come help her find her wedding rings that she had lost while playing over in the shallow water.
I was playing out here with two little girls and my family, and we were just playing in the water, throwing football, and my wedding ring and my band fell off.
Yikes. Tell me what you felt when you realized they were missing.
My stomach sank. It's a very gut-wrenching feeling.
And how much do you think they're worth? What's the value?
I don't know, $7,000 maybe,
Okay.
8,000, I'm not sure.
All right. So you were playing all from this way, that way, pretty much, or?
Yeah, so probably right out in front of that, in front of their cottage there, between their house and then just a little bit before the boat house.
So this is our search area. We've got metal detectors today, all ready to go. Let's go find this thing. Found a penny. If you can find a penny, you can find a ring. Depth finder. Got a really good reading right here. Just a pull tab. Nope. Another penny. Bottle caps. Right in it. It's reading right there, but it's saying it's deep. Oh, here. Nope. Well, we just found a ring, but it's not that the ring. Really good reading right here. Wow. Oh, cap. 43. There's another ring with little diamonds on it, but it's a single band. They were separate? Oh, here's one of them. What? Found one, baby. That is it? Awesome. You got one back. Yeah. Oh, oh. Oh, yeah. Get it. Oh. Is that it?
Yes!
Oh.
I'm so happy!
Oh, that is so awesome.
Amazing!
Come back.
That's what you call Ed the Diver.
That was exciting. We were here probably an hour, about an hour and a half. Found the wedding ring, 2 rings. Wow.
That's amazing!
Yeah, thanks for calling us.
Yes, thank you.
And we gotta find the owner of this ring right here.
My heart is so happy.
Well, I'm glad you're happy. Me too. Another successful recovery. Yeah. We found the 2 wedding rings and another one. Check it out. So we've got this one right here. That was the one we're not looking for. And that was Jackie. And she was heartbroken until today.
Until today.
And your husband and some other friends looked for it for hours.
Yes.
And
hours.
you.
And yes, and me.
Glad we could help you, and I'm glad you're happy.
Thank you so much.
We got some other stuff out of here while we're looking also. Some bottle caps, some shotgun shell, and depth finder. Awesome day. Good job, Jason. Yeah. Oh, what a good feeling.
It's a great feeling.
Next stop today, we're gonna head out to Lee Lake, try to pick up some garbage over by the jumping rope, and also try to find some rings. People jump off the rope, they slide off their fingers as soon as they hit the water. We definitely want to find the owner of this ring right here. We are in White Potato Lake, Pound, Wisconsin, west of Pound. If you lost this ring recently or years back, let me know so I can get it back to you.